Right here, right now, the sun's shining and everything's amazing. But if you look over there, it looks pretty wild. We call that an electrical storm. And in Orlando, they closed the pool. Now, the interesting thing is this. It's starting to get darker now. The interesting thing is this. Even if things look good and feel good with your body, give it a check. Because there could be a big thunderstorm on the horizon. There could be some coronary heart disease in your arteries. There could be some type 2 diabetes in your bloodstream. There could be some challenges going on in your brain from dementia and Alzheimer's because you're not fit enough, you're not strong enough. So get them tested and then make sure you're healthy, fit and strong, pushing your body, putting your body under pressure, lifting heavy things, getting puffed, because there could be a thunderstorm on the horizon. You want to make sure that your body's healthy, fit and strong and you can handle it. No cow poo.